Like the pumpkin patch, the tractor rides at night. The sky is gold. I held your legs and fall asleep on the way home. I don't know why all the trees changing in the fall, but I know you're not scared of anything at all. I don't know if the right house is near or far away, but I know I have the best day with you today. I'm 30 now, I don't know how my friends could be so mean. I come home crying and you hold me tight and grab the key. And we drive until we found a town far enough away. We open windows wrapped to have forgotten all their names. I don't know who I'm gonna talk to now. But I know I'm laughing on the car with you. Don't know how long it's gonna take to feel okay, but I know I had the best day with you today. I have an excellent father. His strength is making me stronger. God smiled on my little brother instead and as he said when I am. I grew up in a pretty house and I had space to run and I had the best days with you. There is a video I found from back when I was 3. You set up a paint set in the kitchen and talking to me. It's the age of princesses and pirate ships and the 7 dwarfs. And Daddy's smart and you're the prettiest lady in the whole wide world.